How do I know if I would benefit from liposuction, a tummy tuck, or another type of body contouring procedure?
That's pretty easy. You come on in for a consult and we'll go over it in detail. Surprisingly, probably to you guys, not so much to me, patients come in with ideas of what the procedures will do. It bears no resemblance to what happens. And so one of the key things we do is I start by really not asking what procedure you want, but what is bothering you? Is it volume? Is it skin excess? Is it both? Is your wall loose? So we sort of go over all the different things that are bothering you and how you would like to see them change. Then that will dictate the right procedure for you to address those concerns. And so you really don't have to know, which one's for you. We're going to help you out with that. You just have to know what's bothering you and what you'd like to work on, and then we'll present the options for you to choose.